Since the beginning of 2024, my team and I have launched 3 YouTube Shorts channels, bringing in the impressive earnings you see on the screen. What's remarkable is that we only copy videos from other sources, use AI to edit them, and then post them on YouTube. This process, known as YouTube Faceless Automation, requires zero FaceTime. But that's not all. We've also harnessed the power of affiliate marketing to direct viewers to products on ClickBank and Amazon, generating a passive income that's reached 7 figures. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how our team achieved this and share some tips you'll need for making successful YouTube Shorts. Don't worry, this method is still highly effective. Just look at this channel they started only a year ago, uploaded just 43 shorts, and they've already gained 1.2 million followers and 195 million views. There are tons of other YouTube channels racking up millions of views with each video they post. This is easier than you think, so hit that like and subscribe button, grab your pen and paper, and let's dive into the details. But before you watch the entire video, note that if you're looking for a quick way to make money in a month, this video isn't for you. This method requires patience, consistency, and dedication. Okay, if you're ready to escape the 9-to-5 grind and invest in your journey to create passive income on the internet, stick around and watch the entire video. Step 1. Find the most viewed video. First, we need to find videos with high views and likes. This means a lot of people found them interesting enough to watch and like, right? There's actually a place where you can get these videos without worrying about copyright issues Chinese apps. Why? Because YouTube is banned in China, so the chances of getting hit with copyright claims are very low. Plus, our method isn't about copying these videos exactly as they are and posting them on YouTube, so you can be totally confident about this. There are tons of popular Chinese apps like Douyin, which is the Chinese version of TikTok, Huishu, and Xiaohongshu that have lots of short videos. However, these apps are only available for the Chinese market, so you might not be able to access them directly. Use a VPN to get around this restriction. I recommend Cloudflare VPN, it's free. I'll put the link in the description below. Turn on your VPN, go to huishu.com, and click on the short video section. Here, you'll find tons of videos with millions of views and likes. Choose videos related to animals or something funny. Avoid videos with too much dialogue because they'll take more time to edit. I love animals, so I'll look for videos related to them. Here's one I found with 13K likes. To download the video, right-click and select Inspect to open the developer mode on your browser. You'll see a link to the video. Copy that link and paste it into a new browser tab. In the top right corner of the video, you'll see an option to download it. Step 2. Repurposing the video. The next step is to edit our video and add our humor and originality. Let's start by getting a funny caption for the video. I'll use Dracula AI and select the Creative Stories template to help me create a funny story. Our video features a rabbit eating grapes, so I'll input, tell a funny story about the rabbit eating grapes. Perfect. A story about a rabbit named Peter has been created. You might wonder why we need to add a humorous caption since the original video doesn't have one. Adding a funny story makes our video unique and more original. When viewers read the caption while watching the video, it makes the video more humorous and interesting because they imagine the story as they watch. It also encourages viewers to comment on the video, increasing engagement. You might be asking why I'm using Dracula AI and what it is. This tool is designed for content creators, offering over 80 templates to help you create content with AI effectively. Besides, it integrates voiceover, image generation, and WordPress integration. You can try it out at the link below the description. Next, we're going to use Capcut to edit the videos. Capcut is a super easy to use online video editing tool that makes video editing simple, even if you've never done it before. With Capcut, you can edit your videos quickly, even if you're a beginner, in less than 10 minutes. To get started with Capcut, just click on the link in the description to create a new account. Once you've logged into Capcut, first click Create Video. Then click Import to select and upload all the files you need. After importing, drag the video to the timeline below. To add text to your image, click Text. Paste the text you want to appear on the video in the text box, and it will be automatically added to the video. Adjust the text by selecting the presets you like, then drag your text to the part of the video where you want it to be. I'll add a voiceover to the video for more liveliness. I'll choose text-to-speech and select a suitable voice for the video. For this video, I'll choose the adorable girl voice. Sounds cute, right? Click to add the voiceover to the video and repeat the process until the video is complete. Let's review the final result.
Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, there lived a rabbit named Peter. Peter was a curious and mischievous little rabbit who loved to explore his surroundings and try new things.
How do you like this video? Comment below to let me know. Creating videos in a funny storytelling format keeps viewers engaged until the end and makes your video unique and creative. Download your masterpiece and upload the video to all short video platforms: YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikTok. Use Dracula AI to help you create captions and hashtags for these platforms. Or you can also use ChatGPT. You know, most people who watch up to this point will shake their heads and comment that it doesn't work. Here's the thing, 90% of you make the mistake of wanting to make money quickly and expecting instant results. Be persistent and don't give up too soon. To go viral on social media platforms, you need to be consistent and diligent. Post 2 videos every day for 2 months, and remember, platforms need you to be an active user. So don't just upload videos, interact with other videos regularly. This is a great way to gain more followers. Once your channel has a decent number of followers, start adding affiliate links to double or even triple your income. If you're not sure what affiliate marketing is or how to choose products, check out this video. I've also made a detailed video about affiliate marketing on Amazon. Watch it multiple times, you won't regret it. And one more thing, when you post videos on social media, make sure to use the right hashtags to help platforms understand what your video is about. Don't just post a few videos and then leave them. When you only get a few views, don't comment that this method doesn't work. Treat this as a job that will bring you passive income in the future. It will help you escape the 9-to-5 grind with a low salary. Once your video trends, you can add affiliate links to double your income. Look at the numbers other channels have achieved. Don't just try it and give up quickly. If you keep that mindset, even if you watch 100 more videos on YouTube, you won't make any money. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to click on the link below the description to try out Dracula AI, grab the opportunity, and start making money now. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel to support us, and we'll be motivated to keep bringing you more money-making tips.